What's going on today, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create AI content that is undetectable by AI. And Google and all the little algorithm changes that they have going on, there's a lot of people flooding the internet right now with AI content. So in order to stand out, you got to make your content look like a human wrote it and make it readable. And if you're like me, I'm not really a writer, so AI does help me and my business out a lot. So I'm going to show you pretty much a free method on how to get good quality content that ranks in Google and that is can't be detected by AI and seems like a human wrote it. Okay, so basically, what I do over here at marketer.net is I have AI tools that I actually use in my business for my blog and that other people can access. Okay, so if you don't have access to uh, ChatGPT 4, then you can simply come over to marketer.net and actually go down to the bot right here in the corner. And this bot will tell you anything about the website, anything to do with digital marketing, and will complete tasks for you. And it's powered by ChatGPT 4. Okay, so, and this is totally free, guys. So if you don't have access to ChatGPT 4, I highly recommend coming over to marketer.net and using the bot over here in the corner. You can use it for any type of task. So what I also have going on over here at Marketer for my premium members, you guys can access the Marketer AI tools, which is also powered by ChatGPT 4, but these are critiqued in a certain way with prompts that handle tasks, okay, such as SEO title generator, SEO tag generator, SEO meta description generator. Now you can put all these prompts into ChatGPT, and it just takes a long time to critique it and to get it to a right way that you need it. So with this AI writer right here, it's set up to all you have to do is just enter a keyword and it's going to write you a well-written article, unique article that looks like a human wrote it already. In my eyes, it looks like a human wrote it, and it doesn't look like, like how ChatGPT just regularly would spit out an article for you. Okay, so all you have to do is enter in the keyword, and it's gonna SEO optimize the article. It's gonna put that keyword throughout the article so it ranks well in Google. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get started. We'll choose a keyword, and for instance, I'm gonna take the keyword AI for marketing and product innovation, and I'm going to take it back here and I'm going to run this through, and I'm basically going to show you what I do and how I do my article and blog writing. Okay, and this thing's going to write me an awesome article, and like I said, you guys can get access to these AI tools just by clicking on the link in the description if you're watching this on YouTube, and if you're at the bottom of the blog post on marketer.net, there will be a link somewhere around here that you can find to sign up for our AI tools. Okay, so we'll wait and watch for this thing to, okay, so it just finished the article. Okay guys, so let's read a little bit of the article to see what it sounds like right here. Let's dive headfirst into the deep end of the pool, shall we? The pool in this case is the vast ocean of AI for marketing and product innovation. It's a world where algorithms and analytics dance together in a ballet of data, creating a symphony of insights that can transform the way we do business. Okay, so there's a little bit of the article. Sounds pretty good, but let's go ahead and take this over. So what you're gonna need, guys, is what actually, let me get off of here. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a site called Quillbot AI, which is a free AI detector. And this, I've looked at all of them on the internet, guys, and this one is free and it's actually pretty dead on. Some of them I didn't think were kind of truthful, but this one I've tested with human articles and it was dead on spotting human articles against AI written articles. I was amazed. I was like, wow, this thing's pretty good. So This one's free to use, and it gives you up to 1,200 words that you can do for free. All the other ones, I think, want you to pay for them. So, I've been using this one, and it seems to be pretty much dead on detecting AI written content. Okay, so what we're going to do is come over back to this article. We're going to copy a little bit of it, and we're actually going to take it over and we're going to put it in the Quillbot, and we're going to analyze it. And right here, it's going to tell you 100% of text is AI generated, guys. So right there, that's not going to really work for me because I want something that is really unique and stands out, and I don't want, it to be AI. I don't want Google and them to detect AI written content. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to another site called, let's see right here. It's going to be Stealth Writer. Okay, so you can actually join and sign up for a free account, and they're going to give you up to 300 words. And I highly recommend these guys. This is one of the best humanizing writing software I found also on the net while doing my research. This one's free. You don't really need to use more than 300 words because you can just take, paragraphs at a time from your article and paste in here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go take that text and we're going to paste it in here, and then we're going to hit humanize. And this thing's going to spit me out a humanized version of this article that I already had the bot over here write for me. So right here, it switches some things up, and it says, diving into the deep waters of the pool is our assignment. I presume it is the pool compromising AI in marketing and product improvement that we are working with to the depths of the ocean now. It is a reality where strategies and analytics authored a play titled Data Reciprocal, taken to crescendo by operations and analytics harmonizing with music of data, giving birth to the symphony of insights that can be used to redesign how we do business. All right, so let's take this same text that it just spit out for us, and we are going to run it back over here. And as you can see right there, voila, guys, 100% or 0% of text is AI generated. So what I would do then is would actually take this to and create a new blog post on the website and go ahead and paste this in, because we know this is right. And also, if you want, we'll take it to a plagiarism checker just to make sure real quick that, let's go down to a plagiarism checker. We'll go ahead and paste that in there, and we will, where we at, click on there and check for plagiarism. Right here, 100% unique, guys. Okay, so, and basically that is what you do. And then I will come back over to Marketer and grab the rest of the article, copy, we'll take it over here, and I always like to check just to make sure. Analyze it, it's 100%. We'll take it back over to Stealth Writer, and we'll paste it in there, and let's read this little bit of content. Now let's shift gears and talk about product innovation. Picture yourself as an inventor standing in a workshop filled with tools and materials, but instead of hammers and nails, you have algorithms and data. All right, so let's humanize that. So we have a humanized version. Next, we are going to change the car and consider the issue of product innovation. Let us have you in your imagination as an inventor who stands in a workshop full with different tools and materials. However, unlike a construction project where tools are hammers and nails, you work on data and algorithms. In the same way, you rather are creating a feeling, solving a problem, or essentially satisfying a need. All right, and we'll run that back through the AI detector, and voila, we have 0% of text is AI generated, and it will pass Copyscape. All right, guys. And then we'll go back over to the blog post and paste it in. All right. Right here. And there's also, a lot of more steps that I would take to actually, before I would publish this blog post, like I would actually proofread it, look it over myself, maybe also make some different changes to give it more of a human touch. And then I would add the H2 headings and make sure, all the SEO is proper and everything before I actually publish the content. But guys, you need to check out the AI tools that are on Marketer. Get access to them. They will save you a lot of time. I mean, you see how quick I was able to do that. And all I have to do is go ahead and copy this, take it back over to this tool, which I will leave links to everything. If you're watching this video on YouTube, I will leave links to Marketer, links to Stealth Writer, and links to Quillbot, so you guys can actually bookmark them and use them in your everyday tools. Like I said, you see me do this basically just for free. And if you don't have access to ChatGPT 4, simply come over to Marketer and you can use this bot over here for free, and you can actually put in prompts and it will give you good high quality articles, okay, as well. But if you want to save yourself some time and effort, and you want to be able to post blog posts that are human readable, that rank well in Google, I highly recommend becoming a premium member over here at marketer.net. You will get access to all the AI tools, and plus you get access to the Learning Center over here at Marketer, where I teach a lot of different methods on how to earn money online. Just a lot of stuff over here that you can get access to that helps entrepreneurs out. You can message me over here on the inside as a premium member. You unlock all the pro insights, a lot of my tutorials, a lot of my blog posts that are premium blog posts you guys will get access to. So it's just a good place for marketers and people who own businesses. Okay, so I hope this has helped you guys out, because Google is delisting a lot of websites now, and my websites have not been delisted, and I use AI a lot in my content. So I hope this has helped you guys out, and I hope to see you over here at marketer.net. And give this video a like, share, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. And if you're on my blog post, go ahead and message me or get active on marketer.net and come enjoy some of these AI tools I have over here. All right, peace.